Hey there guys, Joshua here from Gander. So we love the flexibility of having a hitch mounted bike rack, even if we have a truck, because oftentimes we have other things in the bed of the truck, or if we're going to use it on our other car, it's just nice to have a hitch mounted bike rack. But what I can't stand while driving down the highway is the whole thing rocking back and forth. And if you can't stand that either, stick around because I'm going to show you how we can fix it and tighten it up. Alright, so the solution to our bike rack rocking around is to tighten it up where it attaches to the truck. And for that we're going to need a hitch tightener. You can get these off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. It's basically a U-bolt and some steel. Brand doesn't really matter. Let me show you how to install it. Alright, so now that we're down closer to the hitch, you can see as I move the bike rack that there's just a little too much play in here and it's just slopping around, and that's what causes the rock back and forth as you're going down the highway. And the way that this hitch tightener works is there's a U-bolt and goes over and a steel plate. The steel plate just slides over there. Got some oblong holes for optimum adjustment. But just get it on there, and then you've got a washer, a lock washer, and a nut, and you tighten it down until that takes up the slack and the play within the hitch. Now the cool thing about the way that they designed these is it's not just a flat steel bar. It's got this little lip on here. And so what that allows you to do is for different hitches and different vehicles, it's universal. So you can put it on the top this way, you can flip it around this way, you can flip it around this way. There's quite a few different options to allow you to best suit your vehicle and your bike rack. So after you get it, you play around with it, figure out what's going to work best and hold tightest for your vehicle, and that's the way you install it. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so as you can see, for this specific vehicle, coming up from the bottom with the lip as close to the receiver as possible was the way to go. On our minivan, we used it up the other way with the plate on top. On our car, we use it the other way. So it all depends on what vehicle and what bike rack. But as you can see, now that I rock that bike back and forth, no, all the play is absolutely not eliminated, but it's significantly reduced. So let's take it out on the road and see how it works. Alright guys, so that's all I got for you today. If you're looking for a way to reduce the sway in your bike rack off the hitch of your car, check out this hitch tightener. It works really well, and I've been happy with it. It definitely reduces the sway as you're going down the highway. Now obviously, like mine, I've got 1, 2, 3 points of movement because it's a tilt and it folds down. So if you've still got sway after you use this product, check those different points and see if there's any way that you can tighten it up and get it more secure that way. If you found some value in this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We're doing lots of outdoor things, DIYing, camping, RVing, canoeing, biking, and lots of tinkering and DIY stuff. We also have a DIY group if you're interested in that. I'll put a link in the description box below. Until next time, I'm Joshua and you've been watching Gander Flight. Take care.